Hey everyone, it is me again. I was fixing to experiment with something. I wanted to see if it would work. So this is my Scrivener. So I'm using the character sketch. And I just briefly started filling it in, but it asks for a lot of details. Now, normally I don't have all of this stuff in my projects, but I just wanted to see how well this would work putting it inside ChatGPT. So the goal here is to get this character sketch into Code Interpreter and have ChatGPT help me fill it out. So I kind of wanted to do one where there wasn't anything filled in, and then one where it was, because I wanted to see if it would happen to overwrite it. Let's see. I'm going to upload that and tell it to, and we're just going to ask it to fill out the rest of this. I want to briefly tell it something about the character I'm doing that's not in that character sheet. I don't get too much of the story away. It's actually probably more than I need, but just so it has an idea of the character and what they're going to go through. Kind of wondering if I should give it more, but let's just see what this does. So I just asked it to fill out the remaining portions of the character sheet that I uploaded since I left a lot of it blank. Looking good so far. So it kept the parts that I did write in there. I had put mixed skin tone. I was really hoping it would do something with that. Of course, I didn't prompt it to, but eventually I will ask it to refine that. It's doing really good. I'm surprised. So I can imagine if I had given it uh, more about the story, because really this is like the first few chapters. So this is just all up to Act One, basically. If I had given it the main points of the rest of the story, I think it would have done better with some of these, especially when you get down to the psychology part of the character sheet. I think it would do really well. So I'm excited for that. So if you're like me and you don't really develop your characters much besides the main things like the descriptions, I usually put some habits, quirks, mannerisms type things in there. And of course, speaking styles, Enneagram types. But if you're wanting more, like I was kind of wanting to start doing, but I don't feel confident enough or knowledgeable enough to actually get these things figured out, ChatGPT is definitely available to help you. So I just wanted to share that. Bye, everyone.